Here it is finally, my other Four Seasons Venair. This one is a spinner, 36 inch. After a lot of struggle I got it up. This fan had a lot of missing parts, including a lot of missing screws for the brackets here. And of course the original mounting bracket was missing. It used to be mount as a double club mounting. I had to convert it to a ball socket mounting, and also it was in really good condition. Like you can see, yes, it's pink. The original color is brown, and the blades, the original finish is dark oak with a little very delicate floral stencil design around the blade. The dark oak finish should look like something like this, you know, but it got repaint in white with a paintbrush, only one layer. So I repainted the blades really nicely in white like this. And the motor, I couldn't do anything for it. I had to let it pink like this. But you can see this is what it looked like, the original color. And yes, I kept the original canopy. And under this canopy there's a ball socket mounting hidden inside. The nut in the middle was also pink, but I took off the pink paint on it to show the brass. Okay. And the oh yeah, also the wall control, of course, was missing for sure. Now I use it with a more contemporary quiet 3-speed wall control like this. It's rotary, but it's 3-speed. Okay, now I'm going to show it running from high to low. It's actually pretty noisy because of the mounting. Actually, this electrical box is very poorly mounted to the ceiling. It's really like mounted to the edge of the wood beam and not in the center like it should be. So it makes a sound like the cheap mounting amplifies the sound of the motor. It makes like a hum sound like this. It's really annoying on higher speeds, but on low speed it's okay. And the fan does not wobble at all. It's very well balanced. No problem with that, at least. Here it is on high. I thought it would spin faster than this, but usually those little early 80s spinner can spin really fast. This one is not too bad. You can see I tried to take off some of the paint on the top of the motor, but it was too hard to do, so I had to let it pink. Anyway, it actually matched pretty well with the room where I installed it. You see the walls. And it's a very small room, so a 36-inch fan is perfect for that room here. I'm gonna try to do something for the mounting for the ceiling. I thought about maybe putting a medallion or something around it, but you know, this canopy here is really flat, so it doesn't cover all the ball socket mounting bracket and all. It's actually almost as slow as my craft made on high. It's not that fast. I've seen some of these spinning much faster than this. But the medium and low speed is actually like a pretty fast medium and low speed. So all the speeds are not too distant from each other. And no, that control does not slow down too much my fan like somebody said. I don't know if you can hear the humming from the mounting. But it moves a lot of air for a small fan like this. It has quite a good pitch through brackets for stamped steel brackets. Now medium. Not so much difference between the high and medium. It's a fast medium speed. It still hums quite a lot. And you know how, notice how the electrical box was installed so close from the wall here. It should have been central like here. It's definitely not my installation. It really doesn't wobble at all. Still moves a lot of air. And now low. It's a very fast flow. Now you can hear it's much quieter. Thanks for watching.